breakfast on the Blackstone. Let's get it. We got the bacon started over here. We're gonna start some hash browns over here since we don't have any bacon grease ready yet, and we're gonna use BaconUp. Today I'm using the bagged hash browns from the refrigerator section at the grocery store. I'm gonna go ahead and get them all spread out thin, and we're gonna leave them alone. The key is not to touch them until it's time to flip. I'm gonna season the hash browns with pepper and seasoning salt. For the seasoning salt, we typically go with Lowry's. Keep an eye on your bacon. Make sure you get it flipped over when it's about halfway done. Sometimes with your bacon, you need to move the pieces on the outside into the middle. To make the hash browns more manageable, I'm gonna cut some grooves in them so I can flip them easier. I'm also going to throw down some bell peppers and onions. Always cook your eggs to order. I have two that want their egg fried well with the yolk busted. A little salt and pepper. Let's get these hash browns flipped over. On my hash browns, I'm going to add some onions and peppers. My other daughter wants her eggs scrambled, so I'm going to pour hers out, and then I'm going to scramble mine with the rest of those onions and peppers. I think I've got enough bacon grease left here, so I'm just going to pour them right on the griddle. These eggs are done. If you don't want your eggs to be brown, don't cook them in bacon fat that's left over from cooking fresh bacon. Use BaconUp or a high temp oil such as avocado oil to cook them in, and they won't be brown as long as your griddle is clean. Make sure you season your scrambled eggs. I like to season mine after they're done cooking so the pepper's not burning in them. You can mix it in at that point. Just plate them up. My wife is inside cooking waffles to go with this, so don't think we're missing out on the carbs. Hash browns are done, so let's eat, y'all. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.